Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25, and let me show you how to clear browsing data. So first of all, open the browser that you are using, then mark More icon and select Delete Browsing Data. Now just go to More options to customize it fully and select all information that you wish to get rid of, then choose the time range. So as you can see, you can delete data from past 15 minutes, hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time, however you prefer. And let me select all time to perform a full cleanup, then mark delete data, confirm, and that's it. That would be all. If you open history, you will notice that it's empty now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.